This video, I'm about to show you how to change your NVIDIA GPU to high performance in the control panel. First, open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Next, choose the option to use the advanced 3D image settings. This ensures that you can customize how your GPU operates for better performance. After that, click on Manage 3D settings from the options on the left-hand side. This section lets you configure settings for your applications and games. Now, go to the Global Settings tab. Here, find Adobe Premiere or any application you want to prioritize from the list and ensure it's set to use the high-performance GPU similar to how you'd configure settings for a game like Sims 2 University. Then, click on Configure Surround PhysX located on the left panel. This section deals with over GPU management. Finally, under the PhysX settings, switch the Auto Select option to your NVIDIA GeForce GPU from the drop-down menu. This step ensures that the NVIDIA GPU handles all high-performance tasks by default. Once you've made all these changes, click Apply to save the settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.